Let us discuss the next set of problems in permutations and combinations. Find the number of ways of arranging. Find the number of ways of arranging 6 boys and 6 girls around a circular table First one, all the girls sit together. Second, no two girls sit together. Boys and girls sit alternating. Here, first case is all the girls sit together. The number of ways of arranging 6 boys and 6 girls when all girls sit together. All girls sit together is 6 and treat 6 girls as one unit. 7 minus 1 factorial into, again 6 girls can be arranged among themselves in 6 factorial ways. So this is 6 factorial into 6 factorial, that is equal to 720 into 720, which is 518400. That's about this. Next, no two girls sit together. 6 boys can be arranged in a circle in 5 factorial ways. The number of arrangements of 6 girls in 6 gaps. 6 gaps is 5 factorial into 6 factorial ways, that is 120 into 720, which is 86,400. This is second case. Let us discuss the third case. Boys and girls sit alternatingly. First, arrange 6 girls. 6 girls can sit in a circle in 5 factorial ways. 6 boys can sit in the gaps, 6 gaps in 6 factorial ways. So total number of arrangements is equal to 5 factorial into 6 factorial ways, that is 120 into 720, which is 86,400. Case 2 and case 3 are similar. No two girls sit together is same as boys and girls sit alternately. These two cases are same. So you get 5 factorial into 6 factorial. Let us discuss the next problem. Find the number of ways of arranging six red roses, 3 yellow roses, of different sizes into a garland in how many of them? All yellow roses are together. Second, no two yellow roses are together. First one, the number of ways of arranging six red roses and 3 yellow roses into garland is 6 plus 3 9. 9 minus 1 factorial by 2, which is 8 factorial by 2. 8 factorial can written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 by 2. 2 to cancel. You have to multiply this and write the answer. That is 56 into 30 into 12. 56 into 360. Write the answer. 360 into 56. 6 zeros are 0, 6 6 are 36, 6 3s are 18, plus 3 21, 5 zeros zeros, 5 6 30, 5 3s are 15, plus 3 18, 0 6 1. So it will be 20160. Next, all yellow roses are together. If all yellow roses are together, treat them as one unit. Number of ways of arranging is equal to half into 7 minus 1 factorial into 3 factorial ways. That is half into 6 factorial into 3 factorial ways, which is half into 6 factorial is 720, 3 factorial is 6, 7 ones are 7, 120s are 120 into 6, that is 720 ways. So overall number of ways is half into 6 factorial into 3 factorial, that is 720 ways. Next, no two yellow roses are together. No two yellow roses are together. Third case, 6 red roses can be arranged in garland in 5 factorial by 2 ways. Number of ways of arranging yellow roses in 6 gaps is equal to 6p3 ways. So total number of arrangements is equal to 5 factorial by 2 into 6p3. This is our answer. Let us discuss the next problem. A roundtable conference is attended by 3 Indians, 3 Chinese, 3 Canadians and 2 Americans. Find the number of arranging them in round table. Find the number of ways of arranging them in round table so that delegates of same country sit together. Solution: the number of ways of arranging four country people in a circle is equal to 3 factorial ways. 3 Indians can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. 3 Chinese can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. 3 Canadians can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. 2 Americans can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. So total number of arrangements is 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial ways. These are the total number of arrangements. that can be made. If you multiply all this 6, 6, 6, 6 into 2, this 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 2, you get 2592. Let us discuss the next problem. Find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word independence. First one is independence, second one is mathematics, third one is singing, fourth one is permutation, fifth one is combination, sixth one is intermediate, first one I'll do, I'll do first three, you do the next three. The number of ways of arranging letters of the word independence dense is total number of words when independence 3 is are alike, 1, 2, 3, 3 ends are alike, 2 D's are alike, N is done, D is done, E is done, P is only once, C is also once, okay, is 12 factorial, total number of words are 12, letters are 12, so 12 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. The repeated ones we have to divide, their factorials has to be divided. This is the number of total number of ways of arranging. Next you have mathematics. The number of ways of arranging the letters of mathematics is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 11 factorial by, how many m's are there? 2 m's are alike, 2 a's are alike, 2 t's are alike. So 11 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 2 a's we have taken, 2 m's we have taken, 2 t's we have taken. Here you have HC and ICS which are different. So the total number of ways of arranging is 11 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial. You can do the remaining letter words. That's about today's class.